Assalamualaikum. Welcome to e-edification. It's me उस्मान अली, your English teacher. चलिए आज के लेक्चर का आगाज करते हैं.
Today we will learn words with letter J, K and L. First word is judgment. It's a noun. It means the ability to form valuable opinions and make good decisions. In Urdu, it means फैसला, हुक्म अदालत. Its synonyms are discernment, acumen, shrewdness, etc. Note down the usage in the sentence. I don't think you have the right to pass judgment on others. The next sentence. It's too soon to make a judgment about what the outcome will be. Next word is judicial. It's an adjective. It is relating to the law, judges or their decisions. In Urdu, it means adalati, adalat se mutalka. Its synonyms related to courts or related to law. Note down its usage in the sentences. Our judicial system needs immediate amendments. All citizens must have confidence in the judicial system. Note the difference between judicial and judicious. They are closely linked words. So try to know the meaning of judicious and make your own sentence. Next word is junction. Junction is a noun. It means a place where things, especially roads or railways, come together. Its synonyms: crossroads, crossing, intersection, interchange, T-junction or box junction. You should slow down as you approach the junction. His flat is near the junction of roads. Next word is juvenile. It's an adjective. It means for or relating to young people, birds and animals. In Urdu, it means kam, sin, no umar. Synonyms: young, teenage, teenager, adolescent, junior, etc. Juvenile crime is an increasing problem in big cities. Some of the boys try to involve me in their juvenile pranks, but I wasn't interested. Jeopardy. It's a noun. It means danger of loss, harm or failure. In Urdu, it means khatra, andesha. Its synonyms: danger, peril. The lives of thousands of birds are in jeopardy as a result of the oil spill. The whole peace process is in jeopardy because of India's inflexible attitude. Next word is jealousy. It's a noun and it means hasad. It's a common word. You are well familiar with the word. So note down its synonyms: envy, enviousness, covetousness and desire. He broke his brother's new bike in a fit of jealousy. She was consumed by or eaten up with jealousy. It means you can use consume or eat with the word jealousy. She was consumed by or eaten up with jealousy when she heard that he had been given a promotion. Next word is jubilant. Jubilant is an adjective. It means feeling or expressing great happiness, especially because of a success. So in Urdu, it means shadma hona, purjosh hona, khush hona. Synonyms: overjoyed, exultant, triumphant, joyful, etc. The fans were jubilant at or about or over their team's victory. It means you can use any of these prepositions: jubilant at or about or over their team's victory. Next word is kindred. It's an adjective. It means belonging to the same group or family. In Urdu, it means कराबतदारी, रिश्तेदारी और एक फैमिली से मुतलका. Synonyms: family, relatives, relations, kin, family members, etc. Note down the sentences, please. They sell dried fruit and nuts and other kindred products. We recognized each other as kindred spirits as soon as we met. Knack. Knack is a noun. It means a skill or an ability to do something easily and well. In Urdu, it means सलीका, शार, अक्लमंदी, किसी काम के करने के हवाले से हुनर. Synonyms: gift, talent, flair, genius, instinct, etc. Some people seem to have a knack for making money. Thompson's knack of scoring vital goals makes him important to the team. Knick-knack, it's a noun. It means a small decorative object, especially in a house. In Urdu, it means कोई भी मामूली सी चीज़, खिलौना वगैरह, जो कि डेकोरेशन के लिए, सजावटी मकसद के लिए इस्तेमाल हो सके. Its synonyms: ornament, novelty, toy, etc. They had various knickknacks on the top of the bookcase. Next word, labyrinth. Labyrinth is a noun. It means a large network of paths or passages which cross each other, making it very difficult to find your way. यानी कि एक ऐसा रास्ता जिसमें से रास्ते को ढूंढना मुश्किल हो, जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं जी भूल भुलैया पुरपेच रास्ता. Synonyms: maze, warren, network, complex web, coil, entanglement. Finally, through a labyrinth of corridors, she found his office. Poets are no stranger to the labyrinths of likelihood. It's a noun. It means the chance that something will happen. In Urdu, it means imkaan, ihtimal. Its synonyms: probability, chance, prospect, possibility, likeliness. This latest dispute greatly increases the likelihood of a strike. There is no likelihood for betterment of the Muslims unless they truly follow their religion. Next word is ludicrous. It's adjective. It means stupid or unreasonable and deserving to be laughed at. In Urdu, it means mazaka khes ya muhmil. Its synonyms are absurd, ridiculous, farcical, laughable, etc. He looked ludicrous in that red suit. Management seems ludicrous, finding on small mistakes. Next word is limp. It's a verb. It means to walk slowly and with difficulty because of having an injured or painful leg or foot. In Urdu, it means langdana, langda ke chalna. Its synonyms: hobble, walk with a limp, walk with difficulty, and walk lamely, etc. He limped heavily as he moved. The little boat limped slowly towards the shore. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.